Ashley, and for my video today, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 really easy, really yummy, and really fast Galentines or Valentine's Day treats. Actually, the beauty of these treats is that you can really customize them for any holiday there is during the year. All you have to do is change the colors of 2 of the ingredients that you're going to be using. And those 2 ingredients are actually the same ingredients that you get to use in all 3 of the recipes, because all of these recipes have 5 ingredients or less, and those 2 items are just melted candy wafers and some sprinkles. So pretty easy to change depending on what holiday you're making it for. Now, I just want to put out there that sorry if my voice cracks a few times and I sound really stuffy. I've had this cold that just won't seem to go away, and I've had it for a couple of months now, and so I apologize if during the video and my voiceover you can hear my voice crack a little bit. Cold problems. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get right into it.
For the pretzels, you're going to need some pretzels, obviously. You're going to need candy melts, any color you like, and some sprinkles. Now, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to melt your candy melts. You can do this by either sticking them in the microwave at 30 seconds at a time, or if you're like me and have one of these Wilton specialty dip things, then you can use that. Next, once it's all melted, you can take one of your pretzels and dip it in. And I decided, because I had so much dip on, I just tapped out the extra dip from the pretzel. From there, now you're just going to add the sprinkles. So I have a little bowl with my sprinkles, so I just put in my candy melted pretzel and added sprinkles to it. And I decided to get both shapes of pretzels so that I could have a variation of what the candy melted dipped Valentine's pretzels look like. This next treat is probably my favorite. It's the Valentine's popcorn. So obviously you need popcorn, Smarties, candy melts, and sprinkles. So the first thing I did is I spread my popped popcorn all over a baking tray. Just fill up the baking tray as much as you can. You don't have to use all the popcorn. I definitely did not, and I ate the rest of the popcorn that wasn't being used for this project and have them settled. Next, you're going to take your melted candy melts and just start spreading them all over the popcorn. You can do it by just kind of pouring it over, or if you're like me, it's just, I felt it was a lot easier just to take a spatula and just start spreading it around and covering up as much popcorn as possible. Now, once you feel that you've had more than enough candy melts on top, next you're going to add your Smarties. You can also use M&Ms for this, just as long as they're Valentine's-y themed candy, that works too. So just spread as much of the candy as you would like to really give another texture. And then go ahead and add your last thing, the sprinkles. And again, as much or as little as you want, depending on the type of look you feel, but for me, I felt that the more it was better, and it just looked a lot more delicious the more sprinkles you added onto it. For this last yummy treat, you are going to need 3 cups of Rice Krispie cereal, 2 cups of mini marshmallows, some candy melts, and sprinkles. First thing you need to do is melt some butter into a saucepan. Once the butter is all melted, you are going to take your mini marshmallows and add them into the saucepan. It's going to take them a few minutes to get melted, but once they do, they're going to start looking nice and gooey. You just got to keep stirring, especially so that you don't let them get burnt. Now it is time to add your Rice Krispies into the saucepan, and I'm doing it a little slowly here just so I don't spill any, but once all of the Rice Krispies are in your pot, you really need to just stir it like crazy. You have to keep stirring it so that as much Rice Krispies get covered with the melted marshmallows as possible. Once your Rice Krispie treats and marshmallows are completely blended together, make sure you turn off your stove top so that they don't continue to cook. Next, you're going to take a baking pan and you're going to add your Rice Krispie mixture onto the baking pan and flattening it out either as thick or as thin as you want to make your Rice Krispie treats. Ultimately, this is totally up to you. Next, you are going to take some cookie cutters of any shape that you like and cut out your Rice Krispie treats. And once you take it out of the cookie cutter, you are going to dip it into your melted wafers, and it's up to you whether you want to cover the whole Rice Krispie or just a little bit. And of course, you need to add your sprinkles. So once you have taken your dipped Rice Krispie out away from the candy melts, you are going to go ahead and add your sprinkles. And another method I use to try and cover as much of the Rice Krispie as possible is just taking a spatula and covering the Rice Krispie with as much of the melted candy wafers as I wanted.
And there you have it, the 3 5-ingredient or less Galentine / Valentine's Day treats that you can definitely customize to any holiday throughout the year that you would like. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I would really love if you would just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I have been off for a few months because I was finishing up with school, but now I'm finished and I'm really excited to get back into making more videos and writing new posts for my blog, which you can find a link for down below. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye!